Hi,
Hi guys,
and welcome to
in Mind We Trust
season 3. I was going to say season 3, but this is too exciting.
I
huh?
know, right?
And we've got feedback to keep it short,
Ah,
so we'll try and
Try.
keep it fun.
Can't promise.
Episodes,
We can't promise if it'll be
both.
short.
We can't promise both, but we'll try. Okay, we've not promised, and we've not been able to keep the promise for the last 2 seasons, but we're going to try. But I'm very excited to be here, guys. And we're calling this episode 10 Random Questions.
Yes.
Because that's what I have come up with last night on a lovely stay over at Aku's place. And so now I'm going to ask those 10 random questions to Akshay, which she has no idea about. And I'll try and answer some of them also. We'll
Yes.
try and keep it short and light and fun. And
Fun.
like the audience wants. But exciting.
But yes, welcome back, and
Welcome back.
I'm excited.
Don't be a cheater.
I'm excited to be back with Malvika on screen.
Let's see Mind We
Obviously,
Trust again together. Come on. Welcome to
in Mind We Trust. See, we fail, but then we learn, and then we fail again.
Love it.
But yes, we are back, and this time with a little different
We're in
setup.
Aksha's house,
Yes,
guys. Look at
we are
these
trying.
chairs and the curtains.
Yeah.
And the vibing.
We don't have a plant. We don't have like a table, but
We'll
we
use
are.
AI for that.
Yeah, we are trying a new.
We should do an
setups.
episode on AI.
Oh yeah,
See,
but
just-
isn't everyone talking about AI nowadays?
But we'll do our own take, no, as
yeah,
psychologists. or
maybe we
something.
can. Yeah, okay. Maybe as humans who are living an
In
AI
an AI
life.
world.
Nice.
Are you ready for the random questions?
Okay,
Akshay?
I am ready.
We're not getting a coffee hamper, but
I should
no.
get me coffee at least.
Done.
Okay.
Are you guys ready? Ready.
ready.
What are you watching on the internet these days?
Oh, Korean drama as usual. There's obviously nothing else that I can watch, but I have heard a lot about Chinese dramas, and I want to watch the Mandalorian series on Star
Everyone's watching
on.
Korean dramas, but this
Yes.
Chinese sounds fun.
Yes, so obviously two things that I'm actively doing is Korean dramas and Star Wars. So I like the Star Wars series. So I'm now, because in May the Mandalorian movie is coming out. So I want to just binge watch the whole series before I watch the movie. So
I'm watching
Yeah.
food reels on Instagram. That's what I'm
No,
watching. I
that's-
send you everything at night.
exactly, but that's
Yeah.
Instagram. That's social media. What are you watching on TV?
I am watching repeat Hindi movies, like movies that were feel good factors as growing up.
I like
So
that.
Andaz Apna Apna I'm watching.
Favorite.
I'm watching जब प्यार किसी से होता है. What is that? जब प्यार किसी से Salman Khan and Twinkle Khanna. I'm watching movies that I've grown up on, Hindi
Love
Bollywood
it.
movies, laughing, keeping
Yes.
it light,
Yes,
and
I like it.
sailing through life in April. So
I love it.
and Salman Khan looks hot. in
Hot,
that.
yes, I
That-
agree.
Yeah. Just saying. Okay, the next question.
Yes.
A news that has shocked you lately.
Any news that's covering Trump, and
Just told my answer.
because the latest was when they were having the what was it,
Yeah, it was their correspondence
dinner, and that the shooter,
Yeah.
the guy
Yeah.
got in, and it was just funny because
So I get,
what happened was the Vice President Vance was first evacuated from the scene, and then they came back for Trump. So it was even more funny because they didn't care about Trump. They care more
but
about Vance.
my answer is the same. I feel like I'm amused and shocked with all his tweets.
all his tweets.
I'm like, wow, आज क्या नया देखने को मिलेगा? Man doesn't disappoint.
He doesn't disappoint.
Okay, in the spirit of keeping it short and light. Next one.
Let's go.
Current desserts
Desserts.
you are obsessed with.
Tiramisu, the Biscoff, Greek yogurt, coffee, tiramisu, dessert. And the second is because I'm in Dubai, I love Bilaban dessert. I've spoken about it before too.
You fed me also.
Yeah, so I think any day, any time, like if I'm craving something sweet, the first thing Priyank, my husband, does is he'll order fazia cake, or he'll order something from Bilaban. And the cheat meal that he eats, and if he wants dessert, he'll order Bilaban. And Bilaban like comes in all shapes,
Just count the
sizes,
number of times she
tastes.
says Bilaban.
It should be a drinking game.
Yeah. Yeah.
But also, I love
Like you did
Bilaban.
that when I said absolutely in season 1.
Absolutely.
You said Bilaban like at least 5 times. I would say Alfonso mango desserts.
But also, I've not had any here
But,
this season.
I am craving
Great.
it like, I'm like, Akshay, if you were an Alfonso mango right now, you wouldn't be alive. So any Alfonso mango / Alfonso mango dessert
It's
is a
Yeah.
current craving.
yes.
I'm obsessed with. Okay. Current crush, if any?
No, the last crush I had was on an actor, Korean drama.
Why are you blushing?
Korean drama actor.
Priyank, she's blushing.
But also these Korean drama actors, man, they are just
I am re-crushing
beautiful.
on Chris Pine.
This fine. Oh.
Shut up, and when I sent you the video,
But
that day you said,
Okay,
oh, yeah,
okay.
oh my. So you're also current.
But okay, because I'm watching Mandalorian and the series, Pedro Pascal, dude, I just
Pedro Pascal's
love
on.
him.
Watched
I
him in
love
that
him.
Materialists. Was on.
He was. I like
My
him.
current crush is Chris Pine and yours is Pedro Pascal.
Okay, let's go with Pedro Pascal. Yeah.
So you go with Pedro Pascal.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
saying.
yeah.
I like how these questions are meant to be for you, but I'm answering them.
But you do. You should.
Sorry.
You should.
Clearly, we're not learning
Yeah.
anything from the feedback.
That short, keep it short feedback. I don't think it'll work, but
I
let's
think
try.
The feedback also needs to be Malvika keep college. That's not.
No, it'll never happen.
No.
The whole podcast won't happen if you take that feedback.
I don't know
Please
if that's a
don't.
compliment.
Please don't. I'm
Okay,
telling you.
keeping it quick.
Okay.
What's the best thing about 2026 till now?
Oh. Damn.
2026, we are 4 months in. 15 months.
That I could host my parents in Dubai when they came. That was such a good feeling.
Home.
And I didn't want them
So-
to go back. Now I want them to be back here soon. So I'm waiting for that to happen. Until then, I think that was my best.
That's such a beautiful.
Yeah, that was my favorite time.
Very happy.
What about you? What about
I'm
you?
thinking, what's the best thing about 2026 till now for me? Seeing lions and the pride of lions at
Oh,
Gir.
Gir. Oh my god.
Gir National Park in Gujarat. I think for me that was goose fleshy,
Moment,
beautiful,
yeah.
beautiful. And may I also add, staying over at Akshaya's house last night and getting breakfast in bed and getting kung pao chicken last night and being treated like a true Emirati wife. May I
Wow.
say, Akshaya has made my day weekend. Good start to May, I must say.
Awesome.
Are you ready for the next
Yes.
5? One trend you want to hop on.
So I'm always about these Instagram dance trends, okay? So I love watching them. It's filled, my feed is filled. So I want to keep doing dance trends, but also I don't have the energy, time, or a buddy to get on this trend with.
No, I did
So,
one trend with
one, just one.
Na, 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 land, the sea, the stars, pleasure. We did that.
Yeah, that was fun.
In a public place.
Yeah.
In Alsi.
Yeah, we should do more. That's what I want to get on.
I have no answer to this. I really don't know what trend. Can I do mukbang videos?
Yeah, I was going to say food.
Mukbang videos, maybe eating pani puri
Yeah.
or Alfonso mango. Yeah. With the full son or some fried chicken crispy. Yeah, I'll do that.
Okay. Yes.
Can I not fall sick and still enjoy the taste? I do mukbang. They're called mukbang, no?
Mukbang videos.
Okay, next question. Any gadget that you're obsessed with?
So, yes, I am. It's the desk robots, Emo. There are these robots you can get just for your desk, and they're called, like, they're tiny. They have a little screen. You can speak to them. You can converse with them. They'll walk around it a little. And they're just your desk friends. So you keep them on your study table or wherever, work desk or whatever. And yeah, I just want to get one. I don't know what's the use of it long term, but I just want to get a friend, a desk friend.
That's nice.
I don't have a desk yet, but I want a desk
cool.
friend.
Yeah.
Yes, so that's a gadget that's unique. Other than that, I want probably a lot of things. Like I want that Huawei Mate.
My husband
Bad,
is
yeah.
also obsessed.
Yeah, so I want that, and I want the 3-fold phone.
He wants that. He has the pad.
It's
He wants that phone.
the 3-fold one, and it's for like 10,000 dirhams. I probably have to sell my kidneys.
But you're already selling your kidneys for art supplies. So
Exactly.
that's all I have to do. I have no answer to that question. I'm not into gadgets.
Okay, good.
But if Alfonso Mango was a gadget, then I'd have that.
Okay.
Because we are too cheap to talk about lotteries of millions of dirhams, I'm just going to say, if you find 500 dirhams on the road, how would you spend it?
How would I spend 500 dirhams? See, I'm being very responsible nowadays, so I would probably put it towards like a bill or something. But if I didn't have bills, if I didn't care about them, if I wasn't responsible like that, I would
want that
probably I would probably go to the mall and buy me one pair of shoes or sandals or whatever. Probably get like maybe 2 pants and 2 tops and like a nice acai bowl that also costs a kidney for me. So I'll probably get that and then get one Nutella and douse that acai bowl.
And that's how you screw with it.
Yes. So basically make it as unhealthy as possible because that's the way to go. That's the way to go about spending 500 bucks.
I would buy fragrant candles. Yes, I would spend all of that money.
500 bucks.
Yeah, because you know that's my current obsession.
True.
Since a month. I light candles in the day and the night.
True.
Having
She
bath
would.
with the candles on.
She would, yeah.
So I'm so like, what is that lady? Martha Stewart.
Martha
quoted right
Stewart,
now.
yeah.
Okay, second last question. A habit of yourself you really like.
A habit of myself that I really like. I think that I would say that it's obsessive to a point where I get irritated when things move around, but I like cleanliness. For example, if I'm cleaning or if I'm cooking, I'm also cleaning on the side.
That's all.
So I take time. As you saw, I took too long to prepare any dish, but also I keep it clean, which is what I like. And even when like Priyank is doing something, I'm going around and just cleaning up behind him, after him, and I just think that's a good habit.
Or you just get used to them.
Also, it's a very big stress buster for me. Like if I am really like messed up, or if I'm overthinking and I have too many things on my head, I just need to clean. I just need the house to be
But that's nice. So it's
so
a habit that
dirty.
you're doing also for your
mental health. So like I need to clean. If I have a cluttered room and if I have too many things in my head, the only thing that will help is cleaning the room. Only then can I process things, which is
So I'll also say a habit that is
Yes.
helping me, that I like and that's helping me with my mental health. It's music.
Oh, I love music.
And I think I've been doing it very consciously in 2026. So every day I'm listening to music, and the music is a little like I can vibe to and
Vibe, yeah.
dance. So I think it sets up the mood. It makes me
I
feel
love it.
like a pleasant sense of self, and
Yes.
it's a habit that I like, and it's not doing any harm. to anyone.
Exactly.
The last question:
Ooh.
a board game, that you've liked as a child or you still love like playing now. Board game.
As a child, I didn't play a lot of board games. To be honest, I played like the basics, Snake and Ladder, and that we played.
Ladders like the bomb.
Yeah, and then like Monopoly in the teenage years. Yeah. And then we played Uno cards and stuff
That's not
like
a board
that.
game.
I know, but like, sitting down games. But then recently, started playing board games with my friends, and the best game I've played so far is Catan.
Catan is fun.
Catan is insane. I love that game. I love playing it. I am trying to convince Priyank that let's buy it. And
I'll play.
yeah, we'll have a full board game night. And the only rule is that everyone has to bring a board game. We'll all play different types of board games and then have like a only snack meal on the side. Everyone will get a bowl of snack. And the only thing we'll do that night is board games.
Yeah,
That's it.
I would say Monopoly,
Yeah, that's a...
but the latest Dubai Monopoly.
What?
There's a Dubai Monopoly I saw on somebody's Insta feed. Akshay,
We have to get it.
we have to get it and we'll play Dubai Monopoly.
Crazy, dude.
I might get that and then
Okay.
we'll play. It's just
Done.
exciting.
Done.
That's it, guys. We're done. We've tried to keep this super short. Video.
How
We have
short?
to check.
14 minutes so far.
Yes. Yes.
It's still 14
kept it
minutes.
fun. We've kept it light. We've
Yes.
kept it short. You better like, share, and
Subscribe. Also, if you want us to elaborate on any of our answers, you'll have to comment.
yeah.
You'll just have
This
to
is
comment.
clickbaity. This is clickbaity, na? We love us.
But guys,
Send
be
random
back
questions.
for season 3. More episodes to come. We have fun, serious topics coming
Yeah.
in.
Yeah.
We have new people who'll join us this season. We are coming up with like really good questions to ask our audience and our friends who are
Guests
gonna
and friends.
who are gonna join us. But we're looking forward to this season, and just look forward to it, and subscribe, share, and what like
Yeah,
comment.
I'm just happy. Yeah, look at us subscribing, doing this for the third time. We're like, one of my friends, you know Vaishali, right?
Yes,
Shout out.
yes.
But Vaishali messaged me that day, can you believe you're doing season 3? It's been a year of doing this. So we're just very excited, grateful. Thank you, Akku. Always
you.
look at this comfort, safe space.
Right.
Thank you guys for encouraging everything that we do, right? Like some of it is light fun, some of it is serious, and that's basically Shades of Love. So thank you. Keep
Thank
liking, sharing.
you. Bye, guys.